Welcome to Seacoast Real Estate Academy. In today's video, we'll be covering material facts. What is a material fact? Whether a fact is material depends on the particular transaction and the application of statutory and/or case law. The Commission has interpreted material facts under the real estate license law to include facts about the property itself, such as a structural defect or defective mechanical system. Facts relating directly to the property, such as a pending zone change or planned highway construction in the immediate vicinity. Facts relating directly to the ability of the agent's principal to complete the transaction, like a pending foreclosure sale. And facts that are known to be of special importance to a party, such as a buyer wanting the ability to add a pool to the property. Regardless of which party in a transaction a real estate agent represents, the facts described above must be disclosed to both the agent's principal and to third parties the agent deals with on the principal's behalf. The following items are always a material fact, even if the issue was remedied: synthetic stucco or EIFS, leaking polybutylene pipes, and if the property was the site of a meth lab. In addition, an agent has a duty to disclose to his or her principal any information that may affect the principal's rights and interests or influence the principal's decision in the transaction. If you like this video, feel free to share it with a friend. For more real estate education content, please subscribe to the channel. From all of us at Seacoast Real Estate Academy, thank you for watching.